Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Bridgetown is a small town located in Annapolis County, Nova Scotia, on the banks of the Annapolis River. With a population of approximately 900 residents, Bridgetown serves as an important historic community in the Annapolis Valley. Situated along Highway 1 between Middleton and Annapolis Royal, the town is known for its heritage buildings, riverfront setting, and long connection to agriculture and trade. The history of the area begins with the Micmac people, who lived throughout the Annapolis Valley for thousands of years before European settlement. The Annapolis River provided an important transportation route and source of food, while the surrounding forests and fertile lands supported indigenous communities throughout the region. European settlement expanded into the valley during the 17th and 18th centuries. Acadian settlers established farms and communities throughout the region, taking advantage of the fertile soil and moderate climate. Following the expulsion of the Acadians in 1755, New England planters arrived and helped establish many of the communities that exist today. The settlement that would become Bridgetown was originally known as Granville Center. The construction of a bridge across the Annapolis River contributed significantly to the community's growth, eventually leading to the adoption of the name Bridgetown. The town developed as a commercial center serving farmers, merchants, and travelers moving through the Annapolis Valley. During the 19th century, Bridgetown became one of the more prosperous communities in western Nova Scotia. Shipbuilding, agriculture, trade, and manufacturing all contributed to the local economy. The arrival of rail transportation further strengthened the town's position as an important center for moving agricultural products and goods throughout the province. One of Bridgetown's most recognizable features is its collection of historic homes and buildings. Many structures date back to the 19th century and reflect the architectural styles of the period. The town's historic streetscape provides a reminder of the prosperity that helped shape the community during its early years. Agriculture remains an important part of the surrounding region. The fertile lands of the Annapolis Valley support apple orchards, berry farms, vineyards, vegetable production, and livestock operations. Farming continues to contribute to the local economy and remains one of the defining characteristics of the valley. Housing in Bridgetown is generally more affordable than in many larger Nova Scotia communities. The town offers a mix of historic homes, family residences, and rural properties on the outskirts of town. Average home prices typically range between $250,000 and $450,000, depending on size, condition, and location. Today, Bridgetown continues to preserve its historical character while serving as a welcoming community in the Annapolis Valley. Its riverfront location, rich history, agricultural surroundings, and collection of heritage buildings make it an important part of western Nova Scotia. The town remains a place where history, community, and the natural beauty of the valley come together. Thanks for watching!